Which of the four Lewis structures shown below has zero formal charges for all the atoms? A. Structure 1, B. Structure 2, C. Structure 3, or D. Structure 4. Formal charge is a fictitious charge assigned to an atom in a Lewis structure for a molecule or polyatomic ion. We can calculate it using the formula F minus the sum of 2L and B. In this formula, F is the number of valence electrons in a free atom. That is, the number of valence electrons that the atom has if it were alone. We can determine this by looking up the element in the periodic table. For example, a carbon atom belongs to group 4A. Therefore, a free, isolated carbon atom has 4 valence electrons. Sulfur and oxygen, on the other hand, belong to group 6A. An isolated oxygen atom or sulfur atom will have 6 valence electrons. In this formula, L is the number of lone pairs and B is the number of bonding pairs. The idea is an atom owns both electrons in its lone pair, but only one of the electrons in a bonding pair, since it is sharing a bonding pair with another atom. So, 2L plus B is the number of valence electrons that an atom appears to own in a structure. Let's apply this formula to structure 1. Let's start with carbon. It has 2 lone pairs. Therefore, L equals 2. Carbon also has 2 bonding pairs. Therefore, B equals 2. 2L plus B is 2 times 2 plus 2, or 6. As mentioned earlier, carbon belongs to group 4A, so a free atom of carbon has 4 valence electrons. Therefore, the formal charge of carbon is 4 minus 6, or -2. Let's move on to sulfur. It has no lone pairs, and it has 4 bonding pairs. Therefore, the sulfur atom in this structure appears to own 4 electrons. 2 times 0 plus 4 equals 4. As mentioned earlier, a free atom of sulfur has 6 valence electrons. Therefore, the formal charge of sulfur is 6 minus 4, or +2. Next, we look at oxygen. It has 2 lone pairs, and it has 2 bonding pairs. Therefore, oxygen in this structure appears to own 6 valence electrons. 2 times 2 plus 2 equals 6. A free oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons. Therefore, the formal charge is 6 minus 6, or 0. So for structure 1, we found the formal charges are -2, +2, and 0. If we did the same for the other structures, we find the following formal charges. For structure 2, the formal charges are all 0. For structure 3, the formal charges are -2, +2, and 0. And for structure 4, the formal charges are -1, 0, and +1. The correct answer is structure 2.